Oh, why hello there, my young chemists. How are you on this wonderful day? I hope you're excited to learn about some organic compounds, mainly aldehydes, because they're the best. Check them out.
I'm ready to learn.
An aldehyde is an organic compound containing a 4-methyl group.
Wow, who'da thunk?
Aldehydes were discovered in the 19th century by Justus von Liebig. The first aldehyde was made by removing 2 hydrogen atoms from ethanol.
He seems kinda old and crusty.
Nomenclature. There are 2 general ways of naming aldehydes. The first is that you use the IUPAC method, which is the systematic nomenclature. This method assumes that the longest chain of carbon atoms that contains a carbonyl group as the parent alkyne. You change the suffix from E to AL because the carbonyl group of an aldehyde can only be at the end of the parent chain. The second method is common nomenclature, and it names the compound after the common name of the corresponding carboxylic acid.
That sounds complicated. I'd rather just sleep.
5 examples of aldehydes are methanol, ethanol, propanone, 2-pentanone, 3-carbobutanol.
Not impressed.
5 reasons why so many carbon compounds are named and discovered each year is that 1. Nearly everything contains something organic. 2. Carbon has the potential to create up to 4 single covalent bonds due to its 4 valence electrons. 3. It can form backbones and rings. 4. Carbon's atom is just the right size to fit as constituents of very large molecules. And 5. Carbon can also link together in long chains or rings. Carbon to 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 carbon, and so on.
Oh my goodness, I thought scientists just had a lot of free time.
5 physical properties of aldehydes are that 1. Except those of high molecular weight, they are liquids under normal conditions. 2. They have very sharp, pungent odors. 3. They're soluble in water when it has less than 5 carbon atoms. 4. Hydrogen bonding with water. And 5. High boiling points. 5 chemical properties of aldehydes are that they're toxic, corrosive, their oxidation state is +1, they form explosive peroxides, and they're highly flammable. So keep them away from fire!
So that's why that thing exploded that one time. Darn aldehydes.
Aldehydes are very useful. They're found in perfume, paint, solvents, flavoring, and dyes. Tastes good.
You could use some perfume.
Hey! This is the grand summary of aldehydes, polymers, amides, aminides, ketones, carboxylic acids, esters, ethers, alkylides, and alcohols.
So, my young chemists, make sure you read up, because remember, organic chemicals are important. They're all around us, even when you can't see them.
I feel so informed.